And our crew's got it on the dock, it looks like. He left the motor running, though. The motor's still on, bro. He just trimmed the motor all the way out. And that motor is still on. Here you're going to see the prop still spinning and going. They're trying to fight the lines around the pole. And my man doesn't even notice it. Oh, man. This is an easy way to burn out an impeller. The question is now, how long before one of them notices this is actually happening? Because right now, nobody's in any rush to go back and try and turn this thing off. And our guy has been at it for a while. So the guy we're looking at here is the black truck. You'll see he starts to back up now. So the red truck that just went around him has been waiting for about 5 minutes to try and get around him and just saw his window and took it. Just literally stopped him. And our guy, I'm pretty sure, if you see the guy in the teal shirt, he's trying to get to this ramp just to the left of that, just to give you an idea how far off he's been this entire time. And the guy right here we see sneaking up, he's been waiting for quite a while to try and get around him as well. I got a feeling we're going to see him shoot his shot here at some point also. As this guy's backing up at one point in time, he's just going to cut him off and go. But he's definitely not trying to get on the ramp right here immediately, like where it looks like he's backing down. He's got to be getting one of the boats over there to the left of the guy in the teal. But you would definitely not think that by the way they're backing down. And I can tell already the guy in the gold truck up here is inching forward. He's had enough of watching this show. So we're kind of getting into the right path a little bit. They got to get over. They're heading that direction now. And we hear him honk the horn. And there we go. They've been there for a while, so I think their patience wearing is deserved. Now he's stopping again. I can't tell if this one's intentional just to mess with the guy. And we're going to get somebody that comes in right behind him and probably really going to embarrass him and show him how it's done pretty quick. Yeah, he's going to get it done the first shot. And we finally, after about another 5 minutes, have gotten the trailer kind of in the right direction. And now we got a little bayfront wobble action going as he's trying to get it down onto the dock. Oh, no, don't pull out. All that effort, and he pulls back forward, but I mean, that might be a 5-minute waste of him pulling forward. They're going to be here for a while. And here comes our Yamaha jet boat in on approach. Wifey with the lines on the ready. Cap a little bit all over the place as he makes approach. Once again, wind and current left to right across our screen today. Actually, not a bad line. Looks pretty good right here. I'd probably even give it a little nudge of forward to keep that bow going that direction. But he's going to miss. He might have to back out on this one. Or they're at least going to have to walk it around the pole. And here's Cap trying to push it off around the pole. He just missed on that one. I think one more bump of forward throttle would have got him into the right spot, and the current would have pushed him in, but he just let up too soon. Wind and current grabbed him. Now he's completely leaving the boat and going to have to walk it around. Wifey pushing on the pole. Hubby trying to walk it off. There we go. I think he's got it around enough now. He might be able to walk it up. So, the line even attached? Yeah, okay. I thought for a minute she just tossed an unattached line onto the dock, but nope, she's good to go. She's going to go ahead and attach the mid cleat. And our next crew on approach, gonna take that hard port side turn in. And this is the one that's been giving people struggles all day today. And there we go. Good line. Turns us in. Gonna hit the dock probably. Just a little light love tap. But, I mean, that's how you get it done. But oh, our guy's gonna miss on the line. And Cap's efforts may be wasted. And he's gonna have to try and get this one up. Cap's gonna bring it back around. Our guy will go with the line toss and get him on. And oh, that's almost cheating. They get the assist on the dock. Cap's coming in a little hot, though. Has to brake check it. And look out. Bow pulpit coming through. Our guy in the bow's trying to hang on. So now they're asking for a stern line to try and get it pulled over. And that should get them on. So this crew's been here for a while. I'm not 100% sure what exactly is going on with them. But I guess I get it now. It's our favorite people down at the boat ramp. That crew that decides we're going to go ahead, back down the ramp, leave our boat on the dock. Let's go ahead and unload everything from the boat right here. Instead of just putting it on the trailer and we'll unload it in the staging area. I mean, why not? They've been here for a while already, and I'm just judging by what all is going on right here where we're carrying coolers up and nobody seems to be in any sort of rush that we're going to be here for a little bit longer. And our crew really just doesn't care. Definitely not the way to do this at the boat ramp, guys. Guys, if you're at the boat ramp, go ahead, get your boat loaded, do everything else up at the staging area. It's probably easier to do, too. Then right here, they're carrying product in coolers and bags further than they need to carry them versus somebody just tossing them off the front of the boat, basically straight into the bed of the truck. Well, they're going to do that. It's going to take them a minute, but they'll get out of here, but we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.